Hey there, foodies! Today let's unlock the power of ginger. Did you know that humble ginger is more than just a flavor booster? It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's dive into the amazing world of ginger and discover its secrets. Ginger is a flowering plant originating from Southeast Asia. The rhizome, or underground stem, is commonly used as a spice. It's known for its pungent, spicy flavor and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Ginger adds a warm, zesty kick to everything from stir-fries to teas. It's incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily cooking. Ginger is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These properties can help reduce muscle soreness and combat chronic diseases. It's also a fantastic remedy for nausea and digestive issues. Sipping on ginger tea can soothe an upset stomach and ease motion sickness. Top health benefits of ginger: aids digestion, reduces bloating and gas. Boosts immunity, fights colds and infections. Reduces inflammation, helps with arthritis and joint pain. Relieves nausea, great for morning sickness and travel sickness. Supports weight loss, improves metabolism and burns fat. Fresh ginger can be grated, minced or sliced. Add it to your favorite recipes for a burst of flavor and health benefits. Let me show you a quick recipe for ginger. Boil 1 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of grated ginger for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain into a cup. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and lemon if desired. Stir and sip hot. Share your favorite ginger recipes in the comments below and subscribe for more delicious and informative content. Let's explore the world of flavor together.